Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to attract money fast in 2021 using the law of attraction and using the law of vibration. In actual fact, it's all using the law of vibration that will evoke the law of attraction. So do check that out if you want to see how the law of vibration works. I made a video about that. Also, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to use the law of attraction generally to get what you want, check out attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and that will give you a 3-step guide that will show you how to use it to attract anything. In this video I'm going to focus just on money, so if you need some extra money, follow these steps and you'll be able to see results quickly. I'm also going to give you one of the main steps here, okay? So here we go, let's get into it. What you want to do first, really simple, is pick an amount of money. It almost goes without saying that you're going to have to do this, but the way I suggest you do it is a bit different, okay? So if you need an amount of money to pay bills or something like that, I recommend that you don't pick that as the amount of money. And the reason being is that you want to do it so you're focused on fun. Because if you just do it to focus on something that you absolutely need and you haven't got, then you're going to push it away somewhat, okay? So the way I recommend that you do it is that when you're picking your amount of money, do it so you could pay the bills confidently and then have some left for fun, okay? Also, what you want to do is don't limit the way that it is received. Write it down and date it. All it means, don't limit the way it is received, is you're not going to write down any way that you're going to receive it, just for this, okay? Just for this test. Just focus on the fun, write down the amount that would mean something to you, and then don't limit the way it's received, and then write it down and date it. So you just write a confirmation statement. Bob Proctor has got a really good way of doing this. I'm so happy and grateful now that I have the money I need to XYZ, and focus on the fun when you do that, and date it as well, okay? The next step that you'll want to do is be wealthy. Now this sounds really weird, especially if you're lacking money, but remember this is the key thing out of the whole process, that you will attract what you are, not what you want, because if people were to attract exactly what they needed and what they want, there wouldn't be any problems, okay? You attract what you are. So if you are very stressed, or if you are worried about money and you're just, you want the money on one side, on another side you're pushing it away because you are the person that is emitting this sort of stress, okay? So what you want to do, this step is very important, you want to surround yourself with money. Now if you lack money, what you want to do is surround yourself with the essence of money. So that means wealth, the wealthy, study money, watch TV programs on money and how it's made. And you're doing, yes, it will help you, but you're also doing it because it will, the people that have money study money and watch things on money and think about how to make money. Now I'm not saying that you have to start a business or anything like that, but I'm saying that if you surround yourself with the abundance that is out there, that is far more likely to attract money to you, okay? So what you want to do is change a little bit. Like if you surround yourself with money, it won't be long until you get flashes of inspiration, ideas, and money comes to you as well. So I hope that bit makes sense. The other piece of the puzzle is to be the person you would need to be to have your money. Wear your best clothes, do anything you can to feel wealthy. Now a very important part of this is that you're aiming for the feeling. You're not aiming for the wealthy look or to surround yourself with money just for the sake of it. You're actually doing all of this because it will evoke a feeling, and if you feel wealthy, then you will be attracting wealth to you. So that's a really, really important part. You're doing all of this for a feeling, and I'll give you an example. If you were worried about money and you're sat in your pajamas eating kettle chips all day, worrying, that you're never going to attract money to you, because people with money, and the money is attracted to people that are confident around money and that don't view it as something that is finite and view it as something that they can get easily, and that's what you're trying to do here, okay? So that's step 2. Step 3, relax and gratitude. So this is a really easy step compared to step 2. You just want to do step 2 in a relaxed and gratitude manner. So you don't want to, that none of this should require any effort. So you're not clenching your teeth and getting through it. You're just relaxed and you're going through it, and you're gratitude is a really, really good emotion or frequency to practice while you're doing this, because it will allow you to be grateful for what you have, and if you're more grateful for what you have, you're more likely to attract more to you. Feeling these, so you want to do this all with a smile on your face, not really seriously or anything like that. Just the more relaxed, the more filled with gratitude you are, the quicker it will work. Okay. Step 4, 72 hours or sooner. Now this is really cool because I've put this as a place marker, but you'll normally see things happen within 72 hours or sooner. Now I'm not saying that you'll suddenly get all the money you need in 72 hours. What I'm saying is that you will normally see signs. In my experience, you take action on the impulses, and you'll be able to see signs and things that will push you towards the money. So you may have to take action on some of this. Okay. You can also get your free manifestation guide. The link is below, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. That will give you your free manifestation guide and help you with this. So do check that out below and come back and let me know how you get on. Thanks for watching, guys. Get your free guide, and I'll see you in the